What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Tikio. I am going to be bringing you guys a quick weave tutorial and how I install my quick weaves. The hair that I'm going to be installing today is actually going to be by Shake N Go. It's their organic body wave and the length 36 inches. I did go ahead and get 4 packs of hair just because I like more of like a full look. Just fair warning, this hair, it is more of a synthetic blend, so this isn't a style that I plan to keep in for a numerous amount of time. This is just more so a quick style to do when you're trying to be a baddie, but you're trying to be a baddie on a budget. So if you're interested in watching, just keep on viewing. I will have the links linked down below as far as where you can purchase the hair if they do not have it at your local beauty supply store. My hair is already washed, so I am going to go ahead and get it blow dried off camera, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I prep my foundation for my quick weave. And yeah, so if you're interested in viewing, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe down below.
What? Are you joking? What, is he joking? Dad, I can't stay here. What are we sharing? No, I was with Kate. These are our kids. How we ma'am, are you okay? You're making the other passengers just a little bit nervous. I would like some to drink, please. Can I have you some relax with this a little
So this ended up being the final look, and this is how the hair ended up coming out. I'll scoot back a little bit just so you guys can see. We have nice little layers going on. You can either wear it like this, wear it around to the side, and it still literally looks just as good. I did have to go in and cut the hair just because it was way too long for my own personal liking. I think afterwards, when I had finished off with the whole entire style, the hair finished to about right here. Yeah, it was 36 inches, and 36 inches was definitely what it was giving. I definitely wanted to layer that because that was way too much hair for me. So I did go in and I created some layers, if you guys can see, just to kind of frame my face a little bit. I just created layers all the way down. This actually is my third day with the hair, and so far it is holding up pretty good. Again, like I said, this isn't a style that I plan to keep in for like 3 months or like 3 weeks or something. This is just something that I wanted to do for the week, and so far it's holding up good and it's doing what it's supposed to do. Yes, the hair definitely does tangle, but again, that's something to kind of be expected given the fact that I've only paid $12.99 for a pack. So, I mean, you get what you pay for. But if this is a hairstyle where it's kind of like, you know, you want the inches, but you don't want to pay the $500 to be able to get these inches in human hair, then I definitely do recommend this hairstyle. So far, it's holding up so good. At nighttime, all I do is I just plait it into 2 braids, and then from there I just kind of braid it down. In the morning, I take those braids down, and then I just spray the hair with water and put some Lotta Body on it, the Lotta Body mousse. And girl, brush it with a wide tooth comb, and the curls are rejuvenated and they're ready to go. So again, if you guys are interested in this style, I did go ahead and purchase it from my local beauty supply store, but I will have the links linked down below. And if you would like more videos like that, just comment down below, and be sure you subscribe if you haven't just yet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.